Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do you and yours reading. Gemini, you and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. So Gemini, this could be anyone, could be your parents, could be your children, could be your neighbor, boss, a lover, a crush, somebody. And this card wanted to show face. It's the Four of Pentacles. So somebody is holding back here, not sharing, not giving. So I don't know why this card was. I'll just leave it here and see why this card was here as well. So Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Gemini, as always, we're going to start with a Ganesha Oracle card to see what blessing or an advice Lord Ganesha has for the person that is affecting your energy now. So Lord Ganesha, a blessing or an advice card for my Gemini, please. Blessing or an advice card for my Gemini, please. Okay, let's take one from our angels as well. My angels, a blessing or an advice card for my Gemini, please. Okay, so you get the card of believe, Gemini. I didn't even have to kind of open the cards up, but this card just wanted to show face. And heaven is watching over you. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you, Gemini. This one. Okay, so it says guidance. So yes, if there is something that you're going through, Gemini, right now, and you need help, it's a good idea right now to take advice. It could be from your elders, family, it could be from the spirits. Look at Lord Ganesha, baby Lord Ganesha taking advice and getting guidance from all the gods and goddesses up there, right? So yes, you have to believe that there is a higher power, Gemini, and if you need guidance, please don't hold back. Don't hold back from asking or taking advice. So let's see. Start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all the support to the channel. I'm very blessed to have you all here today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, let me explain this. I'm going to be setting down two sets of cards, one side for you, one side for your person. And in the center, we'll have your mutual energies. For the duration of the reading, I will be referring them as person A and person B. You decide which side you resonate best with. And any of you need a private reading, my schedule is open. You can email me at my email on the description box below. Bottom of the deck, I have the Knight of Cups. Somebody is feeling a bit loved up here, it seems, Gemini. Wanting to offer your love or receiving love. Let's see why this card is here. The first card I have here for person A is the World in reverse. Seven of Cups in reverse. Emperor. Five of Wands. King of Cups. And the Two of Pentacles. For person B, let's say, Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, King of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Death in reverse, and the Seven of Wands in reverse. So let's start with person A's energy. Yes, I do see a little holding back here, Gemini. For person A, I have the World in reverse, which means that this chapter is a bit open-ended yet. Nobody's really giving up on this relationship or whatever there is between the two of you. I think person A wants to re-begin something, maybe offer something new, start again, not be so held back as maybe they were earlier. This is the same Four of Pentacles which flipped out earlier, right? So things have kind of slowed down, I think, but person A is becoming more and more clear by the day that, maybe the mistake was that they held back too much. Maybe they were trying to be the emperor and be in control of the situation. Maybe there was a conflict regarding it, and yes, somebody was not. They were trying to control a situation. Emperor is clarified by the emperor in reverse. So this could be a little dictatorial kind of an emperor who said it's my way or the highway, and creating conflict around it. Maybe there was competition, but this chapter is yet open yet from what I see, Gemini. Somebody is now no longer confused. They don't want to have options. Maybe there were a lot of options in the past, but as time has gone by, I think this person is becoming more and more clear that I actually want a happily ever after. And what was I doing? Why was I holding back? Why didn't I show my affection and love earlier and created all these conflicts? Now I don't want to juggle anymore. I don't want to be confused anymore. If there were options and there was conflict around it, I don't want all that anymore. Yes, this person A with their emperor and emperor in reverse energy, who I think is the masculine on my left, they, I think, played some mind games here. They wanted to be the winner. Maybe they were trying to keep everybody stuck, or maybe more than one person. Say in this card I have one person who's collecting all the swords and two people are walking away, right? So this person thought, ha ha ha, I can get away with anything. I can play more than one person maybe, and not kind of just manipulate emotionally manipulate more than one person and juggle. So what's this 5 of Wands, Spirit? 5 of Wands. Yes, the fighting was because this person was not emotionally open. They were not emotionally open. They were trying to, like, I've just finished saying that, and the card came. The King of Cups is in reverse and the King of Cups is here as well. So this person was trying to emotionally manipulate the situation maybe, and that created a conflict. And now they're realizing, oh, I think I do have love in my heart. And what have I done? I mean, now justice is in reverse now. It's a bit late in the day, I think. This person has now realized what they should not have done. Yeah, now they're realizing now it's difficult to have a fresh new beginning now. Ace of Pentacles is in reverse. Maybe the other person is no longer interested, or there's so much conflict that it's a bit difficult now to... Oh my God, the 5 of Wands again. I mean, this is the kind of conflict, in this situation now. Like I said, there could be more people involved. There could be a fight, could be a conflict. Maybe this is conflict in their own mind now, because I see this person now going back and forth in their mind to say, what have I done? I didn't bring justice to the situation. Now the Wheel of Fortune is totally stuck, and I don't feel very happy about it. I thought, by playing the situation, or playing the dictator, I would have it all. But now I realize that since things have stopped working between us, I don't feel very happy. And yes, they're realizing the mischievous deeds, I think, that they've done. So 2 of Pentacles, Spirit. 2 of Pentacles. This person now wants to kind of move forward or send a message, but they are also realizing that the other person, the feminine, has, I think, dropped them. They are not very happy with them. They're angry. Or if person A did have multiple people or 2 people, I think both of them are miserable now, because nothing really worked out. Maybe this was a third party situation where this masculine ended up making both the feminines angry. So now they are going back and forth in their mind to say, oh my God, what should I do? How can I now get over all this toxicity that I've created in my life, right? They are nervous. And maybe, yes, they do need guidance now, as Lord Ganesha said. Yes, maybe person A was a player in the past, right? They were giving to more than people, more than one person. I keep saying that, but it just keeps coming out. So this person was manipulating emotionally, was trying to control situations, trying to play with more than one, creating conflicts, maybe trying to come off as a player, not committing. But I think all this has backfired on this masculine now. I think they've lost the Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. I think now they don't know. Now they're upset, they're not happy, they are in a bad place, to be honest. Let's see what person B is going through. Person B, I think, held on for some time. Nine of Pentacles in reverse is a card of delay. Even though they were not very happy with the situation, maybe they knew that person A was seeing somebody else, maybe, or there was a third party, or maybe they were not committing, or just that they were, like keeping control of the situation and not allowing things to progress. Even though person B, who I think is the feminine here, they waited. I think they waited for a long time for this masculine to return to their life. They waited, even though throughout that time, person B really felt like a loser. They felt embarrassed. They felt, they felt like they lost somewhere, because it wasn't easy for them to cope with a situation where they were not given priority. I think, yes, I have the Nine of Pentacles again in reverse. So yes, this could have been over a long time. This wasn't like a week or a month, could have been a year or two, or maybe more. So this feminine waited for a very long time, but finally when they realized that nothing is moving, I think person B just walked away from the situation, right? Person B just walked away. Eight of Cups, Spirit. Yes, person B put a death to any hopes of a relationship with person A, and I think they've gone off to transform in their own life to a brand new life for themselves. One more card, Spirit, for the Eight of Cups. The Tower. Yes, they saw that things were built on... They saw that person B was very intelligent. I think they understood that this foundation between person A and person B is not built on solid ground. It's not going to, kind of stand there and build. So they saw it coming. I think all this time that person B was waiting, they saw the structure of the relationship crumbling, slow and steady, and they walked away and brought an ending to the situation. So, who's this King of Pentacles, Spirit? Who's this King of Pentacles for person B? They, I think, did have a lot of love for person A. They saw them as their perfect spouse, as the King of Pentacles. They also saw that this is the kind of person that I can, have long term. I can have a committed relationship with. There was a lot of passion maybe with this in this dynamic as well, with this King of Pentacles, with the masculine. But I think person B started evaluating what was the investment being put. Right? So when they realize that, I'm the only one maybe who's waiting around, and person A is just not kind of offering me any kind of commitment, not offering me any kind of long-term stability, not investing into the relationship. Maybe it had just kind of become a passion-filled, relationship by the end of it, where this masculine was probably indulging with person B, but also not giving them anything solid. Person B walked away. So this is the card. This card has come out twice for person B. They made up their mind, even though I don't think they've ended it completely. They fear losing, I think, this person A completely. They are now don't want to wait around for nothing. Maybe while they were waiting, they were in hermit mode and, being loyal to person A, thinking one day, person A is going to kind of realize my worth and is going to come back. But now I think person B is realizing, hey, I can't wait any longer. I can't be in hermit mode for the rest of my life. And even though I don't want to end it completely, because there is something, I think, still between the two of you. So I won't end it completely maybe, but I will stop fighting for this connection. Yes, they find person A very dynamic. They find them actually an equal, good person. They like person A a lot. Person B likes person A a lot. They see them as the king of pentacles. They see them as the king of wands. A businessman, maybe a go-getter, person who travels, takes charge of their life. They are good looking, they are smart, they're educated. Like all the boxes are ticking here except the love. Right? So since the love was not kind of shown 100%, this feminine is now pulling back her energy, and she's pulling away her love and no longer now wanting to fight for this connection. So, Seven of Wands spirit, yes, she's not, this feminine is no longer fighting. This feminine is realizing, I wasted enough time being in hermit mode. It's my time now to move forward and find something new maybe for myself. Let's see your mutual energies here, Gemini. Mutual energies, I have the Ten of Pentacles. So both of you actually have the same thing on your mind, except the feminine has kind of let go now. She's not no longer fighting for it. But then we do have the Six of Pentacles here as well. So let's start clarifying these. Spirit, why is the Ten of Pentacles here for Gemini and their partner? Why is the Ten of Pentacles here for Gemini and their partner? There is still a lot of love here, Gemini. Whatever said and done, there is a lot of love here. Both of you, heart of hearts, don't want to carry this burden of all this conflict between the two of you. You would love it if, you could just drop all this past baggage and come together in love, and there is dreams and thoughts of this happening, and could, because there is a soulmate connection from what I see with these two cards. But even though I think the masculine wants to rush in and say something to the feminine, they want to come in with an offer, they want to romance the feminine once again, I don't think they are able to at the moment. They don't, after what they've done, and especially now that they know that the feminine is very upset and angry with them, they are not really sure how to approach this feminine now. Queen of Swords spirit in reverse. Queen of Swords in reverse. Lot of sleepless nights, because I think the masculine feels that the feminine has dropped them all together, and the feminine feels the masculine has dropped them all together. Both are trying to find some way to come out of their stress and tension and come out of this stuck place now. I think there's a lot of stuck energy between you and your partner, Gemini. Both of you want each other, but and you love each other as well, but both are thinking that the other one has dropped them, right? So, Six of Pentacles spirit. Six of Pentacles. I think the feminine here is giving but not giving too much. Earlier maybe the feminine overgave here, and this feminine is putting a halt to the situation altogether. Maybe keeping up appearances, keeping up a light conversation. I think this Empress, this feminine is coming across as the Empress now, right? So whatever happiness this masculine did not offer, the love that was not offered, I think this feminine has put a halt to it and is now in her chariot energy now, moving ahead and trying to create something for themselves. I think there is a suspicion here, Gemini, that the masculine is still giving to two. And that's the reason this feminine has no trust that a Ten of Cups can ever be achieved now. There is no trust left. There is no trust left here. The feminine still feels that the masculine is still giving to two, and there is somebody here guarding themselves and not allowing themselves to be hurt once again. So yes, there is a bit of upset and anger here. The Queen of Swords is here again. So anything else, Spirit? Anything else for... There could be distance between the two of you also, Gemini, because I do see somebody planning a return, but I'd also see this vast sea in front of this person, holding the globe, which means again, it could be the distance between the two of you, somebody wanting to return, but they're still at crossroads, still planning as to how and what to say, how do I get back. Yes, Gemini, whoever the masculine is in this situation, definitely wants to come towards the feminine with a new love offer, but I do see the feminine here holding back, and I think somebody needs some guidance here. You have to believe in your dreams, and go for it. I mean, what's the maximum that can happen, right? You can get rejected and lose your person, but then from what I see, the feminine here anyways believes that this love is not true, which is wrong, because I do see both of you are really, really care for each other. So believe in yourself and take a chance. That's all I have for you. But right now, I think there is a bit of confusion. There is a bit of fear. Nobody's really coming forward to say anything. Still living in their confusion as to how to, but wanting to come out of this regrets and stress of the past. Okay? So let's see what happens next time, Gemini. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.